Welcome to my channel, Arabic Learners Online. Today, I will be guiding you greetings and introductions in Arabic. In this video, we will look over a variety of standard Arabic greetings and introductions to make things easier for you to comprehend and apply to your everyday talks. I will give you explanations and examples. Greetings are important in Arabic culture because they demonstrate the importance of decency and respect. Let's begin with the most common greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is the traditional Arabic greeting, which means peace be upon you. It is used in both formal and informal settings. The response to this greeting is Wa alaikumus salam. Wa alaikumus salam. This means, and peace be upon you too. You can use this greeting any time of the day. Now, let's move on to introductions. When meeting someone for the first time, you can say Marhaban. Marhaban. This is a general greeting used to say hello or welcome. It's commonly used when meeting friends or colleagues. Here's an example. Person A should say Marhaban. Ana Kareem. Hello, I am Kareem. Person B should say Marhaban. Ana Abdullah. Hello, I am Abdullah. If you want to be more formal, you can use Ahlan wa Sahlan. This phrase means welcome or hello and is often used to greet guests. Here is an example. Person A should say Ahlan wa Sahlan bika for male, Ahlan wa Sahlan biki for female. Welcome to you. Person B should say Shukran jazilan. Thank you very much. Another situation where greetings are important is when meeting someone in the morning or evening. You can use the following phrases. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. This means good morning and is used until around noon. The second one, Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair. This means good evening and is used from late afternoon until night. Arakum qariban. See you soon.